Smarty. 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 There's my Marty. And there's Roo. Gross. You look ugly, Roo. You're eating my favorite bunny. She's eating my bunny, Marty. You should stop her. She's not being very nice to Bunny. She's like, what am I doing? I think she's helping it. Are you panting? Are you panting? Yeah. You're my girlfriend. She's not really my girlfriend. Marty, kiss me, because you missed me while I was gone. Oh my goodness, are you growling at me? Rah! 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 You guys should play. Play. Play, 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 play. 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 No, Roo. You need to play with my dog, okay? Play with Roo. Play with Marty. And forget about the bunny. You guys need to play. They are crazy when they play. Roo is craziest. She like runs. She like dashes around the house. Marty. And Marty just like stands there and waits for her to come back. You want to say hi? Say hi to YouTube. Ow! Fudge balls! Move! Go away! Oh. That was the weirdest sneeze. Booty hole! Booty hole! That's a little booty hole. Alright.